My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Ipsy Plus for the month of September. So once again, of course, it arrived on a day that I'm working. So I'm going to try and make this short and sweet. And yeah, if you would like to see what I got this month in my Ipsy Plus glam bag, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, so let's get into it. So Ipsy Plus is a subscription box that is $25 a month, and you do get 5 full-size items. So it's been freaking bomb. I'm not gonna lie. So let's see what we got. Alright, so this month is Find Your Light. And, alright, the first product is this Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick in Cosmic. So it's this non-drying lipstick in a cool-toned mauve pink, swipes on with an immediate color payoff. Here is the component. Ooh, I really like that color. Okay. Sometimes I'll get lipsticks and it's like just colors that I will never wear. But ooh, this is definitely a color I would rock. Hell yeah. So this retails for $27. Alright. I like it. The next product we have, is this Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So, girl, I will always take a translucent powder. You don't have to ask me twice. This retails for $22. Well, that's not bad for a full-size translucent powder. And here what it looks like. Let's see what kind of... Okay, so it has the little holes to where you would dump it out. Alright, I'm really excited to try this. I mean, you know your girl has tons of powders, but I am always down for more because powder is something I use on a daily basis. So I will always take powders. Alright, the next product is this Wonder Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in Top. Huh, okay. This values for $21. I didn't know that Wonder Beauty made brow products. Well, at least I had never seen them. So let's see what this bad boy looks like. I did just get the Rihanna like MVP brow styler. I actually really do like it. But here is what it looks like. Alright, so one thing that I don't like about this so far is that it's not a sharpenable pencil. When it comes to brow products, I prefer it to be something that you can sharpen because I like to have that like precise, sharp pencil to really, you know, define my brow. But let's see. It's not the creamiest, but I don't really like my brow pencils to be too creamy because then you can't get a straight line. I really do like that color though. I'm gonna have to try this out and see how I like it. Alright, the next product is, okay, this Ofra Cosmetics in Madison Miller Squad Palette. Okay, this 3-palette I don't even know where that came from. 3-piece palette. Oh, it was a combination of piece and palette. Collab from Ofra Cosmetics and content creator Madison Miller is all about that go-to glow. Highly pigmented and a cinch to blend, this rosy combo of blush and highlighter creates a lit from within look in mere minutes. Alright, I just recently got an Ofra Cosmetics highlighter palette, and their highlighters are the bomb. If I can open them. This retails for $35. Oh my gosh, open. Okay. I don't see anything that would be a highlighter for me. I mean, that blush might work, but these are definitely highlighters that would work for someone with a much darker skin tone than me. This doesn't feel like the typical Ofra highlighters either. Here are the two highlighters. I don't know if you'll even be able to see them because they're so dark on me. So this will be going in a giveaway because that's just not something that will work for my skin tone. And I apologize for ripping the box. It was the only way I could open it. And the last product is, ooh, this Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. So this is 5 ounces and it retails for $34. I actually remember seeing this on the Sephora website when it first came out and remember wanting to try it. But I'm like, I get so many cleansers in my boxes and I already have so many, so I ended up not getting it, but I'm super excited that I got it and get to try it. I have to use like exfoliating cleansers on almost a daily basis because my skin is so dry. I've actually really been liking, last month in my Ipsy Plus I got a Murad exfoliating cleanser that I've really been liking, but I'm excited to try this one. Oh, it's more like of a cream too. Here is what it looks like. Ooh, I'm actually going to try that out today. I'm going to go take my makeup off and go to bed so I can go back to work tonight. Alright, let me see what the retail value of this box is real quick. So the retail value for my Ipsy Plus for September is $139. Not bad at all when I only paid $25. I am really excited about everything except for the Ofra and Madison Miller palette. I wish they would have included something that would have worked for more skin tones, because this is definitely not, you know, suitable for someone who has fair skin like I do. But other than that, I'm really excited about everything, especially the powder and the lipstick and all of it. Let me know what you guys think about my Ipsy Plus this month, and let me know what you got in your Ipsy or Ipsy Plus down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video.